Tell me stories of miseries that scream grief into my ears. I wonder how small are my problems, a droplet in the ocean of tears. While we openly experiment with food, to many the leftovers are a luxury. We keep reposting the coffin memes when there are people without lands to bury. Oh, what do I tell about the miseries of a man when we have been ignorant to far worse? How the exploitation continues of animals, the planet, nature. What next? The universe? Technology grows. Science has taken its places. For most of the things, calling Alexa is all it takes. I wish I could say, Alexa, bring me back humanity and expect everything to change. But instead, I get a reality check. Black lives, animal cruelty, exploitation, religion, damn, we have reached quite a range. So I sit back like every other man on this planet, justifying myself, saying that there's nothing that I can do. There are 7.8 billion people in this world. Shouldn't they be thinking about it too? Days pass, and I stop feeling the anger, the pain. Then another incident happens, and it all begins again.